Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and I am really excited to announce that I have just published a new SketchUp plugin on SketchUp extension warehouse that you can download. The plugin name is SJ Frame Generator. Okay, that will help you to generate a frames of selected faces or a multi faces. So here how it works. So first you have to select the all faces that is in a irregular shapes. Then you have to click here. When you will click here, this dialog box will open. Like you have to set the frame width like 1 inches and frame depth and gap inset. Okay, gap inset like how inset you want. So this time I'm setting a 0, so just click OK. Now here you can see there is a no inset between this. But when you will select a inset, like just selecting all the faces, click here, insert like a 1 inches, and then when you will click here, you can see there is an insert between the all frames. So here you can see all the frame is created. Your back faces are still in not in a group, so all frame in a separate group. Okay, now here you can apply your materials. Like if you want to apply glasses, then you can easily apply glass material over here. Okay, it will work with all other kind of shapes, whether it is circular or any other shapes. Like if I will uh, take the command, now here you can see there is a inset of 1 inches. So it will work with any shapes, whether it is a circular, rectangular, hexagonal, or any organic shapes also. Okay, so this time I'm selecting this one, clicking here, setting the frame 2 inches, frame depth 1 inches, gapping 2 inches. Now here you can see this gapping is 2 inches. Here you can measure the gapping is 2 here and 2 here. It means total 4 inches, and this outside inset is 2 inches. Okay, so this is very nice plugin that I have created for you guys, and this is free of cost. You don't have to pay any pennies for this. And if you really like my this plugin, you can comment. I'll send you and you can download directly going to extension warehouse. Thanks for watching. See you next tutorial, guys.